Briggs & Forrester is a nationwide building services contractor. We design, install and maintain building services systems covering the whole spectrum of mechanical, electrical and public health, and we've been doing this for 75 years. We have a long-standing reputation, not just because of the technical expertise we bring to our projects, but also because we have a strong commitment for innovation, collaboration and a net zero future. We cover a broad spectrum of projects, including residential, student accommodation, hotels, through to commercial, pharmaceutical, healthcare, defence. This breadth of experience allows us to tailor our solutions to the unique needs of any specific project.
Digital innovation has been critical to us over the past 2 or 3 years. Using Autodesk Construction Cloud, we've digitalised all our forms and processes. So our snagging, drawings, approvals, everything is cloud-based, which means it's instantly available to anyone, anywhere. One example of where a simple change has been transformative is we require a site safety inspection to be performed every week on all of our projects. This previously involved walking the site, taking photos and notes, and then going back into the office and putting it into a Word format. This involved copying and formatting photos, printing it, saving it in a folder, all of which could take a couple of hours. With ACC, this entire process is all done on a mobile device. Whilst out on site, it completely eliminates any other work in the office or printing. The time saved in doing this allows our supervisors to be out on site and performing more value-added tasks. When the processes and forms are completed, it then allows any issues that arise to be visible to the health and safety team, the project management team, or senior management. It creates accountability for the right people to do the right things at the right time. So a great example of this is OpenSpace, a 360-degree camera that we deploy on all our sites. The project management team or senior management team have access to that at any time. So if there's a query raised, has something been done, or is this need doing, it doesn't always mean that someone has to go to site or go on site. As a result, we're more sustainable and more efficient.
We have our sustainability strategy, which is based around 3 core pillars: our business, our society, and our product. Our business is focused on carbon reduction and net zero ambitions, with the aim to achieve net zero across our operations and supply chains by 2040. Our society ambitions include social value targets focusing on community impact, bringing new entrants into the industry, and our employees' well-being and development. Our product ambitions are those focused on reducing environmental impacts of our projects. This includes delivering smart buildings, decarbonisation projects, suggesting lower embodied carbon alternatives for our clients' projects, and working with our clients to achieve their specific sustainability targets or accreditations, such as BREEAM.
We're really proud that we've been involved in some amazing sustainable projects, such as 19 Cornwall Street in Birmingham. It was delivered for Kier Property. It's about 140,000 square foot, Grade A office space, featuring smart building technologies and energy efficient systems. Our MEP services helped future-proof the project and provide a low carbon building.
At Cranfield University, we delivered a heating network decarbonisation project to reduce emissions and support the university in achieving their ambitious net zero targets. From NHS hospitals to private care units, we've implemented low carbon HVAC and BMS optimisation to meet the demanding sustainability and compliance needs of modern healthcare environments. The Solar Canopies initiative for Huntingdon District Council has been an opportunity to showcase innovation in renewable energy integration.
In addition, we have our own in-house off-site manufacturing facilities. This allows us to prefabricate modules for inclusion in our projects. prefabricated utility cupboards, riser modules, floor plate modules, metering modules, which we then get incorporated into our projects on site. It allows us to A, improve quality, B, reduce waste on site, and actually reduce the number of people we have on site, which is a win-win for everyone.
Of course, it's not just Briggs & Forrester on this journey. Our dedicated supply chain play an instrumental role in how we deliver sustainable projects. To support our supply chain, we have become a partner of the Supply Chain Sustainability School. Through the school, we've developed so-called sustainability learning pathways to upskill our partners, ensuring sustainability is embedded at every level. Our social value plans and initiatives are designed to leave a lasting, positive impact wherever we work. We achieve this through our apprenticeship schemes, work experience placements, community and environmental volunteering, charity fundraising, and by investing in our employees' training, development, and well-being.
One of the major ways we have actually invested in our employees is the move to become an employee-owned trust in 2020. Being an EOT means that the business is now owned by a trust on behalf of our employees. Every team member, regardless of their role, has a vested interest in how we perform. Since transforming into an EOT business, we've found huge benefits, particularly for our people. They have seen much more communication between them, much more collaboration, and greater transparency across the group, and has also led to greater efficiency in how we tackle our tasks. 75 years gives us a very strong foundation in the industry. However, we recognise the future is all about digital integration as we move forward and sustainability. By excelling in those two areas, we are taking our business and our industry forward towards a net zero future.